So hello guys, welcome to INSP, the new course of astronomy. So for the first time in India, maybe in India, I don't know, but for the first time, uh, we are going to launch the astronomy course for astronomy Olympiads and etc. Not for just astronomy Olympiads, but all astronomy enthusiasts can join it. The course will be in English, language will be in English because I am saying that many guys from south will say that they are comfortable with English but not with Hindi that much, and also some guys are there who says that all courses are in English, so it is difficult for them to cooperate. So I will do this course in English, and I hope this will help you guys in this journey. So coming to the next is I said that astronomy plus astrophysical awesomeness. So it says that astronomy is not just about space science is not just about the pop science you saw or the science fiction, the alien exists or not, the asteroid came this time at this station, the country launched this वगैरह वगैरह etc. सो हम लोग इसमें जो करेंगे वो स्पेसिफिकली फॉर एस्ट्रोनॉमी ओलंपियाड होगा. इसमें मैं जो हूँ वो हूँ अर्चिस्मन दास. सो मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि आई एम अर्चिस्मन दास and we are going to I am going to represent it as one of the topics, and I chose to post a video among them first to see the public reaction, and also I hope you guys will like this. This on this lecture we will do the spherical astronomy, whereas I am saying about my notes references are from A. Roy Clark, also from Cartoonen. I do not prefer comes out like that much, but it's also good. And also by IOA like this by Isule, but I won't drag it here. And also the Everrise handout. So I should not leak it, but I can't leak it though, as that's the property of Everrise. So I won't mention it here. So now, so lecture by Archis Das, and I will say that my handwriting is not that good, but I will try to write at my best. So now let's start. So the lecture is in association with INSP and brought to by five students of Nitin sir, and we are students of INPS batch and also for 2022 batch 2. So let's start the video. So now, first of all, I will explain what is the semicircle, sorry, small circle and great circle. So I will forget the free hand drawing. So मैं जो अभी बोल रहा हूँ देख लीजिए कि एक प्लेन है, वो एक स्फीयर को ऐसे काट रहा है कि वो नॉट वो सेंटर से नहीं जा रहा. Then the sphere will be cut into that pieces that this will be the small circle, and for the people who are interested to hear the lecture in English, I will say and I will repeat it like if the plane cuts the sphere in a way that the center of the sphere is not on the plane, then it cuts the sphere in a semicircle, small circle, and if the plane cuts the sphere in such a way that it goes through the center, it will be said as the great circle. So now about saying great circle, I will try to join. So now here we go. This is the equator, but also you can say that it's in great circle. It's also in great circle, but it's in small circle. So for references, I use this, and later I will discuss it in detail. But before that, let's say about some trigonometry ratios. So trigonometry not ratios, but trigonometric formulas we want. So imagine this is in circle, and here is in point O, which is the center. So from trigonometry knowledge, I believe you guys know that if this is the point, sorry, this is the point A, this is the point B, then this will be the angle theta, and AB arc will be r theta. So this is the formula. I hope you guys know that. And here I will now go to the spherical triangle. Also, spherical trigonometry will be discussed later. But before that, I am going to going with this flow of spherical triangle. So first of all, what is the spherical triangle? So I will say that in short, if you imagine this is as a sphere, then I will try to draw it like that. This, this, and this. Where this is point A, and from here this is point B, and this is point C. This is O, this is R, and R. And these angles are different. Alpha, beta, and gamma, and this is the R. Also, this is the R, and also this is the R. Then the spherical triangle will look like this. This will be the spherical triangle. Whereas I can give you the concept that if you guys do not want to memorize the formula, you should always know the concept. And so I hope I am trying my best to let it visualize. Also, I will post a video if you guys want on this specifically for the visualization. So now this is the thing, spherical triangle. And now the next thing is the spherical triangle properties. I will say that if you guys want to read about this, then prefer AEROL for this, because they sorted it in a nice way. But in Cartoonen, they gave some illogical, not illogical, but more specifically not relevant to Olympiads. So let's move on. So properties is A plus B plus C will be greater than 180 degree. Individually, each angle A, each angle B, each angle C will be less than 180 degrees. And also the last point to be shared is that the spherical triangle can have the angle sum different in many cases. So from that, I will move on now, because that's the preliminary things that you guys know. So now I will explain what is A plus B plus C minus 180 degrees. So as we know that in spherical triangle, angle sums are greater than 180 degree. So this is the excess that we know here, and also this excess helps to find out the triangle's area to us. So I will let you guys guess it once or prove it once, but for the time shortage of mine in the video, I have to shorten it, and so the area will be equals to er square, and also mm, so हो गया. So I hope you guys understand that, and जो भी मेरे दोस्त है, I hope you guys understand that, and if you do not, say in the comments and what should be added here, but not that big thing is skipped here. So I am going to go with the earth geometry part, and in short I will explain it. I will just say, and you guys have to just remember the definition, but just see the things how it's going. So this is the sphere, and thinking about its spherical, we can easily say that what will be the longitude and latitude of a space, and if this is the equator, so if a point is P here, so then from this to this, the angle which is drawn is phi. So this phi will be the latitude of the point. Also, there are semicircles from this pole to this pole. They are called meridians, and there are local meridian which and also the parallel latitudes which are there. So then the meridians are 360 in numbers. These are 179 maybe. If I let me calculate 0 degrees and 1 to 180 degree. So sorry, 1 to 90 degree. So 1 to 9 179 होना ही चाहिए. So now from the next thing is that let me verify if it's 179 or not, because I won't share any false statement. This is actually was in so they said there are 179 parallels and total 360 in these. So there is no about confusion. So now we will go with the next thing here. I hope 179 was the correct. Yes, this is the correct. So now I checked also the book that 179 is the given. So now the next thing we are going to see is latitude longitude. I explained already. So now I will say about the departure of 2 points. So if I will say a statement, you guys have to listen carefully. So जो बोल रहा हूँ आप लोग सुन लीजिए. और मैं I am Bengali, so my English and Hindi accents are both maybe. So you guys have to bear it. Please bear with that. So their departure from A to B. So what will be it? Imagine this is A and this is B. Maybe I should draw a different picture. So now from this and from this, I can say that there is point here. This is A, this is B. So now there will be departure. What is departure? I will explain. But before that, see that there are on the same parallel of latitude, and this is the angle phi they made with the equator. So in the statement, what is departure? I will say that this is lambda del cos phi, and where is the phi is the angle from this, and the lambda del is the distance between them and laterally on the parallel of latitude. So now we do not have that much time, so I will just explain you guys some theories in short, and I will say that I hope you guys know about the shape about our Earth, that it's a geoid, not spherical or nothing, and we take it as spherical for only calculations. So for taking it as spherical, there is a major axis and also a minor axis. I hope you guys studied the conic sections, and here I have to draw two things which are important here. So so like this, and so I will now give the definition of the two things. The geocentric latitude, if the angle between the equatorial plane, this is called a observational plane. So now if the angle between the equatorial plane and the line joining to the observer to the center of the earth. So the observer and the equatorial plane, the line joining to the center of the earth, then this is called geocentric. Whereas the angle between the normal line of the surface and so how to draw the normal, I know you guys know that this is 90 degree, so this will be a normal line. So this is called phi, which does not go to the center. This is called phi dash, which goes to the center. So this will be a geocentric, this will be a geographic, and there is a zenith where it shows the arrow. And so now we will go to the next step, which says about flattening and ellipticity. So for the ellipticity, you guys know that about the shape a minus b by a, which states that 1 minus 1 by a square by half, and where E equals to the eccentricity in the coordinate, conic section. So now nothing to say here more, and we will go to the next topic, which says the spherical trigonometry. Here maybe you guys fight against me about seeing that sine rule and cosine rule, but believe me, this is the right rule for sine and cosine, because this is the spherical triangle we took, and you guys are used to the planar triangle only. So now for this I am drawing this, and now this is A, this is B, this is C. A cone, sorry, so angle, हाँ, so हो गया, हाँ. So now तो अब चलते हैं इसमें कि वो spherical triangle की एक formulas में. So the sine formula will be sine small a by sine capital A equals to sine small b by sine capital B, and sine small c by sine capital C. So now the cosine formula, I will give the proof of it if you guys want it, but I have the shortage of time, so I can't now. So I am going to rest with time now, as I am constrained with time. So now cos A equal to cos B equal to cos C. If the exam postpones, then I will give you the proof surely, because there will be no pressure for me to do it in constant, as the time is not that enough for us. So now I will say that if you are a physics enthusiast, you should not miss these lectures. Also, these are very much relevant, so please do not. So here we will do the small approximation law, which says that sin theta equals to theta, tan theta equals theta, cos theta equals to 1 minus theta square by 2, which states that 1 for small theta approximations. So now और दो formulas है जो मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ, the analog of cosine formula. Do not forget to subscribe INSP. Also, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And this is my first lecture on YouTube. So do not hesitate to send your feedback. And माफ कर देना अगर कोई गलती हो जाए. So अभी चलते चलते कर लेते हैं हम लोग लास्ट के दो फॉर्मूलाज. So and ये सब मुझ मत पूछना कि आपने कहाँ से पढ़ा, कहाँ से किससे पढ़ा, वो सब नहीं पूछना है. बिकॉज यहाँ पर मैं वो बोल दूंगा कि क्या क्या करना है. सो डू नॉट से अबाउट दैट. 4 पार्ट्स एंड मॉकिंग नहीं चलेगी बिकॉज अगर करनी है तो डीएम में आना. सो cos A cos C इक्वल टू sin A cot B minus sin C cot B. Now I will give you the say just only here from where we got the aesthetic formulas of sine cosine rule. We actually assume there such that कि वो sin A को A मान ले. So इसीलिए वो A B C होता है. Like यही परम सत्य भाई तुम लोग देख लेना. Because A E Roy and Cartoonen दोनों famous books में ही लिखी है. And also I have the proof. I can also do the proof. I proved also. So I am confident now. So this is the end of the lecture for this. And I hope maybe 15 minutes na cross kar jaye ye wali lecture. But I am going to stop it here. And then we'll go with the problem solving session. Problem solving one day of 10 minutes. And another day, the next day, I will start the coordinate system. Hope you guys enjoyed it and suggest us should I make the slides before it or my handwriting is readable or not. And if not understandable, then say also in the comments. So hope you guys like it. Subscribe. INSP. Also, we friends are going to open an astronomy special channel for astro pop science and also for this type of lectures. So if you guys want that also subscribe that. We will launch it soon. So see you guys. Good night. Bye.